Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Hape animal puzzles numbers. Alphabet. We all know the satisfaction that comes from reconstructing an object, recognizing an image, or giving an overall meaning to what was a group of scattered fragments. It is precisely this stimulus that drives us to solve mysteries and enigmas. Have you ever thought that, in English, the same word indicates a mystery on the famous board game consisting of many pieces to be assembled? Is it a coincidence? Puzzles are a challenging pastime for all ages, but they have particular benefits for preschoolers. In the simpler versions, with large, colorful, and pleasant-feeling pieces, they stimulate children's creativity. Additionally, they aid in the development of cognitive functions such as concentration, short-term memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Also, playing with puzzles does not require adult support. Children immediately understand whether they are doing a good job or not. The pieces either don't fit together or fit perfectly, as simple as that. For this reason, working with puzzles offers so much satisfaction to our little ones. Provided, of course, they're age appropriate. Check out the Hape number and farm animals in the alphabet and animal parade puzzles. In addition to being beautiful and fun with their bright colors and cute characters, these animal-themed puzzles offer another advantage. On the back, they feature the 26 letters of the alphabet or the numbers 0 to 9. So, as they recreate the picture on the front, your children begin to acquaint themselves with these universal concepts and symbols stamped on the back. Wooden puzzle for preschoolers, double side, double fun. Hape offers a line of puzzles that articulates into 6 difficulty levels, each dedicated to a specific age group. We have chosen the best shapes, designs, and sizes to attract the attention of children in the various stages of development. In particular, wooden puzzles with animals are suitable for children from 3 years of age, but ours are more than just puzzles. They offer a double challenge and a double educational advantage. There are many reasons why they distinguish themselves from similar products. First of all, they are double-sided. On the front, they portray cute and bright-colored characters. On the back, they feature numbers or letters. Getting used to these symbols, children will want to know more about their meaning. Then, they will start recognizing them and then learn the alphabet and numbering. The large base allows you to decide whether to place the game horizontally or stand it vertically. Furthermore, animals can be grouped or used separately in creative ways, becoming fun characters in role-playing games. Finally, like many Hape toys, double-sided puzzles are made of wood, a non-toxic, resistant, pleasant material. Welcome to the jungle with Hape Jigsaw Puzzle. What are a giraffe, an elephant, a hippo, and a zebra doing with a lion, a tiger, a crocodile, and a little monkey? Simple, they are playing with your children. The Hape Alphabet and Animal Parade puzzle stimulates the imaginations of children aged 3 and up with its rounded shapes and bright colors. Consisting of 26 wooden pieces, the Alphabet and Animal Parade features 10 wild animals on one side and the 26 letters of the alphabet on the other. This simple toy offers great developmental benefits to your child. Along with helping the decoding process of shapes, colors, and images, it also supports the knowledge of the alphabet and the ability to concentrate.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.